Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use my package for the UI swipe. So a simple level selector, and so this is what we're gonna create. So this is a normal scroll view with some buttons in it, and you can scroll between them, and when you scroll there is snap on the element. At this point we're gonna open a new project. So this is a completely blank project, and in this project you can import my Unity package that's available on the GitHub page. The link will be in the description. Once you open it, import everything. There is a prefab, a scene, and two scripts. Use the scene as an example on how to use the actual level selector. So in here we have a canvas with the scroll view. It's just a standard scroll view. Inside the scroll view there is like content and an horizontal scroll bar. The horizontal scroll bar has the height set to 0, so it's not showing. And inside the content we have all the levels as buttons, and the content itself has a content size filter or preferred size for horizontal, and it has a horizontal group which has a left and right padding, which is what you see here. So the space on the left and on the right, you can increase this to center the item a bit better, and you can use spacing to space the items between each other. So instead of 100 you can go like 200, and there will be more space. There you go. The buttons for the level, they're just simple buttons with width and height. You can set them yourself. And then if we go to the content, this is where you actually attach my script, and you can see there are errors at the moment. This is because we are missing a library, the do-tween library. So we can go on the Unity asset store and just import it. The Unity library is used to do the final twinning when the element snaps. So the page of this will be in the description as well. You can just open it in Unity and it will import the entire package for you. And just click on the import button, import everything. We wait for it to import. Once the import is done, the setup will be required for do-tween, so just go through and do setup do-tween. At this point Unity will finish up the compiling process for the library, and you can just go and select all the modules and hit apply. At this point do-tween will be enabled and all set up, and you can hit play and try the scene. You can test out the scene and see if it's working, and I'm not gonna go into the actual detail of how the script is working in this video, but if you want to know, just ping me a comment in this video and I'll be happy to show you how the entire script works. That said, I'll see you in my next video.